Alright, let's talk about question words. When we want to find out information, we use different question words, right? Like when, why, how often, and so on. So, one of the question words in German is wann, meaning when. And that asks about a specific time, right? Wann, zum Beispiel, it asks about a time. Let's say heute Abend. If you see a sentence that says heute Abend, tonight, and we want to know when something is taking place, we would say wann. And the answer would be, oh, tonight, or tomorrow, or whenever it might be. Another question word is warum, meaning why. So, if we have a sentence, for example, der Himmel ist grau, and we would ask, why is the sky gray? Ja, warum ist der Himmel grau? And the answer would be, es regnet, because it's raining, right? There, es regnet. So, warum? Why? Another one is was, and that's was just means what. So, for example, if the sentence says, Peter studiert Deutsch, and we want to know what Peter is studying, right? We would say, was studiert Peter? Yeah? Was. Wer is asking for a person. It means who. So if we say, again, we use Peter studiert. So here we are asking for Peter, yeah? Who is doing the studying? Peter. Wer? Who? Alright, wie means how. And since it's raining, we might want to ask, how is the weather? Yeah? In German we say, wie ist das Wetter? And the answer might be, es regnet. Yeah? So, wie, how is the weather? Wie viel means how much. And this would be a good one to know when you ask for a price, right? How much does something cost, right? So if it says, der Pullover kostet 20 Euro. So we're asking for the price, right? 20 Euro. How much? Wie viel kostet der Pullover? And the answer would be 20 Euro. The other word is wie viele. And that has an E on it and means how many. So we're talking about more than one, right? So if you say 20 children, 20 Kinder, the question would be, how many children, right? Wie viele Kinder? And the answer would be 20 Kinder. Another one, a question word, is wo. That's when we ask for a location. Wo means where. Zum Beispiel, we say, München ist in Deutschland. So we're talking about a location, right? Question word would be, wo ist München? Yeah? The answer would be, it is in Germany. Es ist in Deutschland. Then woher is asking, from where? And when we meet somebody, we want to know where they are from. So we would say, woher bist du? Woher kommst du? Yeah? And somebody might say, ich komme aus Deutschland. Yeah? Aus Deutschland, from Germany. And the question would be, woher kommst du? And the answer would be, ich komme aus Deutschland. And the other one, question word would be wohin, and that means to where. And that indicates that we are going somewhere, right? We would say, ich gehe nach Deutschland. I'm going to Germany. Oder ich gehe in die Vorlesung. Yeah? I'm going to the lesson, the lecture. So nach Deutschland oder in die Vorlesung, there is a motion involved, a process of going somewhere. So whenever we have a destination, then we use wohin. Wohin gehst du? Ich gehe nach Deutschland. Ich gehe in die Vorlesung. Alright, I'm going to write down a couple of expressions and you tell me which question word you would use. So, if you have the expression in December, what question word would you use for that? How would you ask? You would say wann, correct, because you're asking for a specific time. Wann. Let's say you see the expression aus Chicago. Now, which question word would you use for that? Remember, I gave you an example. Ich komme aus Deutschland, aus, from Chicago. So, what question word would you pick? Woher? From where are you, right? Woher? Oh, let me see. Oh, suppose you have the expression ein Student. Which question word would you use? You would say, who is that, right? Wer. And the answer would be, oh, that's a student. Okay. And let's say we see this expression in Washington. It's getting a little hard to write down here. So IN, it's an N, in Washington. What would be the question word? Ich bin in Washington, I'm in Washington. The question word would be wo. Yeah, where am I? And that's that for question words.